Alright homeowners, today, I'm going to walk you through the super important task of flushing out your water heater. This is one of those essential maintenance tasks that can really make a difference in the longevity and efficiency of your water heater. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, this guide will help you tackle the job with confidence. Yes, it might sound tricky, but trust me, with the right steps, you can do it yourself easily and save a ton of money. First things first, safety. Always make sure you have the proper safety gear. Gloves and goggles are a must to protect yourself from hot water and any debris that might come out during the process. Always turn off the power to your water heater. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. If your water heater is electric, you'll need to flip the breaker off. If it's electric, flip the breaker off. This step ensures that there's no power running to the heater while you're working on it. If it's gas, set the thermostat to pilot. This will prevent the burner from igniting while you're draining the tank. Next, shut off the cold water supply. This is the valve usually found at the top of the heater. Turning this off will stop more water from entering the tank while you drain it. This is the valve usually found at the top of the heater. Make sure it's completely turned off before you proceed. Now let's get to the fun part. Draining the tank. This is where you really start to see the benefits of your hard work. Hook up a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank. Make sure it's securely attached to avoid any leaks. Make sure the other end of the hose is in a safe place where hot water can run off without causing damage. A driveway or a drain is perfect for this. A driveway or a drain is perfect for this. You don't want to accidentally flood your basement or damage your lawn with hot water. Open the drain valve and let the water flow out. Be careful, it's hot. You might want to wear gloves to protect your hands from the heat. To speed things up, lift the pressure relief valve at the top of the tank. It allows air to flow in, helping the water flow out faster. This step can make the draining process much quicker and more efficient. While it's draining, you might notice some sediment coming out with the water. This is completely normal and is actually the reason we're doing this in the first place. That's the stuff we're flushing out to keep your heater running efficiently. Over time, sediment can build up and reduce the efficiency of your water heater, making it work harder and use more energy. Once the water runs clear, you're almost done. This means that most of the sediment has been flushed out and your tank is clean. Close the drain valve and remove the hose. Make sure the valve is tightly closed to prevent any leaks. Make sure the pressure relief valve is back in place. This is important for the safety and proper functioning of your water heater. Turn the cold water supply back on and let the tank fill up. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. It might take a few minutes. You can use this time to check for any leaks around the drain valve or the hose connection. When the tank is full, turn the power back on. If you have an electric heater, flip the breaker back on. If you have a gas heater, switch the thermostat from pilot to your preferred temperature setting. There you have it. Your water heater is now flushed and ready to go. You've just flushed your water heater like a pro. This simple maintenance task can make a big difference in the performance and lifespan of your water heater. Doing this once a year can extend the life of your heater and keep it running efficiently. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs and ensuring your water heater operates at its best. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home maintenance tips. We have plenty of other DIY guides to help you keep your home in top shape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy home improving. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your home running smoothly.